Guided meditation, your path to calm, focus, and inner peace. Finding moments of calm and focus can feel impossible in the whirlwind of modern life. That's where guided meditation comes in, a practice designed to help you achieve mindfulness and relaxation with the support of a guide. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced meditator, guided meditation provides a structured and accessible way to enjoy the benefits of mindfulness. What is guided meditation? Guided meditation is led by a teacher, narrator, or audio recording that walks you through a meditative process. This guidance can include breathing exercises, visualization techniques, or body scans to help you achieve a state of relaxation and focus. Unlike self-directed meditation, which requires you to navigate your practice alone, guided meditation offers step-by-step instructions, making it an ideal starting point for beginners. How guided meditation works. You'll follow along during a guided meditation session as the guide helps you focus your mind and relax your body. Sessions may vary in length, ranging from a few minutes to an hour, and can be tailored to specific goals, such as reducing stress, improving sleep, or cultivating gratitude. Benefits of guided meditation. Guided meditation offers numerous mental, emotional, and physical benefits. 1. Reduces stress and anxiety by focusing your mind and calming your body. Guided meditation lowers stress levels and helps manage anxiety. 1. Improves sleep quality. Many guided meditations are designed to help you unwind and prepare for restful sleep, making falling and staying asleep easier. 1. Enhances emotional well-being. Practicing mindfulness through guided meditation helps you process emotions more effectively and fosters a sense of inner peace. 1. Boosts focus and productivity. Meditation trains your mind to stay present, improving concentration and productivity in daily life. 1. Supports physical health. Regular meditation has been linked to lower blood pressure, reduced chronic pain, and improved immune function. Types of guided meditation. Guided meditation comes in many forms, each catering to different needs and preferences. 1. Mindfulness meditation. Focus on the present moment and observe your thoughts and sensations without judgment. 2. Body scan meditation. Bring awareness to different body parts to release tension and promote relaxation. 3. Visualization. Imagine peaceful or inspiring scenes to evoke calm and positivity. 4. Affirmations. Repeat positive statements to cultivate self-confidence and a sense of empowerment. 5. Loving kindness meditation. Focus on sending compassion and love to yourself and others. Tips for a successful practice. 1. Start small. Begin with short meditations of 5 to 10 minutes and gradually increase the duration. 2. Be patient. Meditation is a skill that improves with practice. 2. Don't be discouraged if your mind wanders. 3. Set an intention. Before starting, decide what you want to achieve, whether it's relaxation, focus, or gratitude. 4. Experiment. Try different styles and guides to find what works best for you. Final thoughts. Guided meditation is an empowering practice that makes mindfulness accessible to everyone. By following the gentle guidance of a teacher or narrator, you can achieve a state of relaxation and focus, no matter your experience level.